Hi there, Colin Rowe here, President of Archimedia. Thanks for watching. Is your organization having difficulty keeping all your digital assets organized? Are some of these assets being used or stored improperly? Or have any of your images suddenly gone missing, forcing you to start over and recreate them from scratch? Archimedia may be the solution you're looking for. We are an industry leader in implementing efficient, effective, and highly user-friendly digital asset management systems with a focus on creating control vocabularies that let you find what you need when you need it. Over the past 6 years, we've had the benefit of working with numerous clients in both the public and private sectors, and we've been able to learn from some often spectacular mistakes on how to best go about implementing an accurate and viable digital asset management system, and how not to. Based on this experience, we've developed a proven 5-step process that can turn your collection of assets from a chaotic headache into a true business asset for your organization. So how does it work? Step 1. First, we identify any issues you are currently facing, pinpoint the assets we will be organizing, and determine the administrative requirements for a new system. We also address such issues as your organization's asset use and sharing practices, legal considerations, the identification of system administrators and workflows, as well as the size and scope of your new system. Step 2. Next, we assist you in the collection and collation of all your assets into a single centralized location. This allows us to identify and remove any redundant or duplicate files in a non-destructive and cost-effective manner, while creating a master set of assets that will become the content foundation of your new system. Step 3. Once we have your master asset list in place, we use our experience and expertise to create a comprehensive control vocabulary for your assets. This is by far the most important and often mishandled stage of the process. The control vocabulary is the heart of your entire digital asset management system. The way in which it is created will determine the success of your system and whether or not it offers the solution you're looking for. For example, if you were looking for an image of monster waves to illustrate your annual report, the accuracy of your control vocabulary will determine whether or not this is the image you'll find. Or this.
And now, me eat cookie.
Or let's say you type the word gorgeous into a search field. Is this what you would expect to find? This is how this image was actually tagged in a digital asset management system for a woodworking magazine. With an accurate control vocabulary, we can determine your category and subcategory structure and define the keywords to be used in tagging your assets in advance, so there won't be any room for operator errors when it comes to labeling your images. For a detailed look on how we do this, I invite you to take a look at the controlled vocabulary creation video on our website. Which brings us to step 4. Once we have your control vocabulary in place, we can then assist your IT department in setting up your database. If, like most organizations, you happen to hate your IT department and all the inevitable hassles that come with this, don't feel guilty. Your IT department probably hates you back just as much. Then we can host your image database on our own secure and redundantly protected servers. When it comes to databases, our software solution of choice is AssetBank. We've examined all the options that are currently available, and we feel that AssetBank offers the best combination of value, support, and features in the business, bar none. How does AssetBank do what it does? You may be sorry you asked, because we're going to get geeky now, but I promise it'll be short. AssetBank can be installed on any Windows OS from 95 up, as well as Windows Server 2000, 2003, and 2008. AssetBank will run on any Linux or Unix operating system that supports Java and on which ImageMagick can be installed. It can also run on a Mac using either the client or server version of 10.5 or 10.6. Of course, the faster processor the better. Image and video conversions are CPU intensive. AssetBank is written in Java, which is why it will run on most operating systems, and will work with all recent versions of any of the following databases: MySQL, Microsoft SQL Server, and Oracle. The enterprise version of AssetBank also features org units, which allow you to have separate instances for each division within your organization, complete with their own administrators. It also allows multiple languages, LDAP integration, and almost infinite controls for the administrator to control asset usage. Okay, geek time is over. Hopefully that wasn't too bad. And this brings us to the final step in the process. Step 5. Helping you set up your system, including selecting keywords for your assets, setting up your administrative levels and access controls, and training your administrators in how to get the most of it. Along with the keys to your shiny new system, we'll also give you a detailed guide that spells out all of your workflows, outlines your control vocabulary maintenance schedule, and describes your AssetBank admin setup in clear, concrete, and easy to follow terms. That's it. We shake hands, and your digital assets ride off into the sunset, and we live happily ever after. If you'd like to find out a little more of what we do and what we can do for you, please visit our website at www.arca-media.ca or pop me an email at colin@arca-media.ca. Sorry for the hyphen. The punk sitting on the URL wanted too much for Archimedia as one word. See, I hate IT too. Thanks for watching.